Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use Syncee for your Shopify store. When you're going to enter and connect your Syncee with Shopify, you will see this. Well done, your online store has been successfully added to your Syncee. From now you can manage the products. Click next. Now you need to choose a starter plan. Syncee is free up to use of 50 manageable products without a time limitation, so that's pretty good. Click next. Now, okay, main features. Would you like to Syncee to help you do? If you're looking for products and suppliers, click next. And now you would like to start, you can find suppliers or search a product. I'm going to search a product. And you can review, but you can do it later. And now you can search for products, but you can also find suppliers here. On the left side, you can see the marketplace, Alibaba data feed manager, manage orders, and etc. So you can search for a product right here. Marketplace, search products. And now here you can, what warehouse locations do you prefer? So let's say, I don't know, United States. You can really choose which one you want. Then what countries do you prefer? So let's say United States. And I'm going to warehouses, United States. And right here, you can also add my location. Now you can also choose a fashion that you're interested in, electronics, my location, United States, and get started. So this is just my recommendation, what I like. And now I would just write here case. And I'm going to pick here, this one. And what I can do is to see the ships to and add products to catalog. And send my request. So this is pretty much it, how we can do it. So add new to catalog. And that's what you can do. You can also easily find suppliers. And yep, that's pretty much it. So you're gonna see also the plenty of suppliers that you can connect with. And that's pretty much it. You can also see my catalogs of your products, your suppliers. Then you would see Alibaba right here. You can search products right here in Alibaba. And that's pretty much it. So how it works. If you can have any questions, guys, this was like the quick guide what you can do with Syncee. I'm really happy to help you. And if you want to have a more advanced tutorial on Syncee, I can do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.